I kinda can't believe it's mid-February and I'm running not one but two fans in my van. Don't get me wrong, I would much rather have it that way than be in the cold, because then I can just wear shorts and a t-shirt and be comfortable, but boy howdy will I have to travel with the seasons this summer. I think it's supposed to cool down again in the desert in beginning of March, but I'm enjoying the heat while it lasts. Last night we parked up at a pull-off outside of a state park. There was no availability in the campground in the state park, so we booked a different state park for next week. I'll film a different vlog for that, but this spot's really cool too. The views here are really pretty. You have a nice view of town, you have a nice view of the mountains, beautiful sunrise, even better sunset. So I think we're gonna stay here again one more night before going into a bigger town to do errands tomorrow, because clearly it's been over a week since we last visited Planet Fitness. So that's on the agenda for tomorrow. But yeah, for today, I think I'm going to clean up my van a little bit because it's a bit lived in, and then I'm going to make myself some lime and mint water because that sounds very refreshing and it's quite hot. It is already afternoon. I spent the morning editing a YouTube video, but I guess speaking of putting away my laundry, my grandma made me this pillowcase, which is super stuffable. She's probably cringing at how hard I'm pressing the seams right now, but you can stuff all of the winter clothes and layers and stuff into a pillowcase, and then that's all my clean, warm layers. Hi.
You okay?
Yeah, I just started vlogging. Hi.
Oh, alright.
Alright, now that the van is semi-tidy, I'm going to spice up some regular old water by adding some cucumber slices, some lime slices, and some mint. Because this is all going to go bad in my ice chest, and I need to use it anyways. I'm also going to add some of these trace mineral drops. It's literally just concentrated seawater with the minerals that our water lacks. Who says you can't make yourself spa water when you live in a van? This is my spa. This is my house. This is my kitchen. This is my bedroom. This is my living room. This is my bathroom. It's my spa. I can have spa water. Fun fact, the limes sink, the cucumbers float. Interesting. I'm just going to drink this while I finish my work for the day, and then I will check back in with you guys when I'm ready for a hike and dinner. Tonight we're making sort of shrimp scampi with shrimp and garlic butter. It's a little bougie. We're feeling bougie today, apparently. I should remember to make these spa waters for my retreats. Noted for later. If you're curious, that's what I'm going to be working on today. I am working on finalizing all of the things for the June retreat. I'm hosting a women's retreat with Do Yoga Outside, Emily Dresser and Emily Sedona over on Instagram. They're helping me co-host a women's retreat in Carson, Washington from June 12th through June 15th. So if you're interested in attending that event, you can check the description for the sign-up link. Sign-ups are available now, but they will sell out, so don't wait. You can use the code GROUNDED for 5% off your booking. So yeah, I'm going to go send some emails regarding organizing catering for that event. Very exciting. We're gonna do brunch and dinner together. And then I will check back in with you guys when I make dinner. This one doesn't go all the way in, which is why it comes out. These two stay though. It's a pretty view, okay? So me.
It's not hot enough. Okay.
Do you want red pepper flakes or no? I need more garlic. You can move if you don't want to. Tail I see in a bag of deveined tail off bitches. Anyway. Look at that! It's just a tail!
Sue.
Walmart, I'm coming for you. Why don't you just film all my fails? It's basically just... I do want red pepper flakes. Did you just baby bird that shrimp? How's that taste?